Besides, that's no fun if you just rush that thing in there. What, did you snag a fish?
Oh, it must be a big fish.
Yeah. Well, they were big. Why don't you go ahead and get the net? They were big last week. We threw back 3, didn't I tell you? Yeah. We threw back 2 6-pounders and a 6 1/4. Okay, we've been fishing 5 minutes and you've already got something on. And there it is. Nice big old fat bass. Okay. 1 down, 29 to go.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, that's. We'll get the scale out and weigh them. Oh, you can use that one right there. Use that scale.
That's good. Yeah. What a nice day. Beautifully done.
Yeah, so we haven't hit this spot in over a month, so. Could you go downstairs and get the scale? How big is that?
20.
Huh?
20.
20, yeah, that should be about 4 pounds then. Hang on though. Yeah, it's in the yellow box.
No, somebody didn't put it back in.
Oh, well, the box is starting to fall apart. So's the little bag.
Let's be official. Not a 20-pounder, not much.
Nah,
I can tell you.
Sure.
See, that scale won't go to 20.
I don't have a that good night today.
A little over 4.
Okay, cool. There's dinner.